Good day, classmate and tutor. How are you doing? Well, in this video, I want to talk to you about my pet's holidays in Ribera Huila. The traveling was the last year, and it was wonderful because I went to Amoris with my husband. But my children left then in the care of my mother-in-law, so then it was very relaxing. We traveled in friends' cars. When arrived, they gave us a delicious lunch. After dinner and the ceremony, we sang and danced a lot. The next day, we went to have chicken sancocho, which was delicious. After that, we went to the hot springs and stayed a nearby hotel. The weather was very hot, so it was time to go for cold showers. We also went to eat some famous dessert from the region, which were very big and tasty, and finally we returned to Melgar to my and were two beautiful children. Thank you.